position. I block left, I hit right, I block down, I block right, I hit left, I block down. I go shoot down. Mai geri hiji uraken, ashibarai to the front, block again, hit, hiji, boom, boom. Okay, so that's the version. It's in a straight line going. Because it reenacts a two-person drill, I resist locking my hands on my sides, but it's okay to do it as you learn it. Left hand goes up, each. Look where the hand is. Step and punch. Get ambarai with this hand, moving into the opponent. Good. Block up with the right. Hit left. Get ambarai. Forward, middle block. Forward, middle block. Maya get it. Hiji. So everything's close. So my elbow's really close. Uraken. Get out. Ski. Ashibarai. Boom. To the front. Middle block, just one. Maya get it. Hiji. Uraken. Get out. Boom. Ashibarai. Pull and hit. Switch, hit, and finish. Really step forward to finish. You can do it very formally, where it looks exactly like a kata, but just facing different angles. Or you can do it the way I was doing it just now. Your ditch, left block, knee, right punch. Som, get ambarai. It hits to the opponent, comes down. We've got throws, wrenches, strikes. Each. Jordanuke, hey, Oizuki, hey, get ambarai, hey, Shudanuke, Maegeri, Hiji, Uraken, get down, ski, and back foot sweeps, one to the front, then Shudanuke again, Maegeri, Hiji, Uraken, get out, ski, Ashibarai. From there, pull, hit, switch, finish.
It's not so much a question as it seems to be the combination is the most difficult part to keep your guard hand up, because we've always been taught, pulling it in.
That is difficult. If you think about the male tode means using both hands at the same time. That means if I'm parrying with one hand and protecting with, it could be striking, whatever, but say I'm protecting. This hand remains on the opponent. This hand remains on the opponent. And the reason you usually pull is because you're unbalancing the opponent before you do the next thing. Something like Motobu, for example, you'll see a lot of postures where there's something like in these positions. And so these positions, it's the same idea. You're engaged the whole time. Get ambarai. It looks like this. It looks like, when I come in my chudan of get, it looks like this here and this here, as opposed to, I don't need to complete the movement, so I'm engaged with the opponent. Ish. Hey. So think about your, we're going to get ambarai. Think about if you're hitting your partner, you're hitting your opponent, or trying to hit, maybe the hand got in the way, you're going to either press or grab their hand, and your get ambarai cannot go straight down, otherwise you'll get hit. So you're going to smack them while you control this hand, and then come under that this way, either over the arm or under the arm. Yeah, so let's do that one more time. Ready? So each, 1, 2, boom, get ambarai. Then we switch, 1, 2, get ambarai. So the hand that's closest got to come up, shoot down get, shoot down get. As I kick, I'm going to push with this hand, like push it in their face. Boom, kick, Hiji, everything's covered, do that again, boom, here. And this hand's covering, we're holding, we're going to catch, boom, ashibarai. はい、中段抜け。前蹴り。肘、裏剣、下段、bum, ski. Holding or pressing, ashibarai. If I was hitting someone, I actually got my hit in. When I pull back, I'm going to pull the back of their neck with them. They're going to fall forward here, and then like here, I pull back, pull them in so they're off balance, and then my hit can be various things. It can be a hit here, an elbow, whatever it is. Does that make sense? So I pull back just a little bit to get that, and then boom, we just hit again. And then I'm going to switch. So when I switch, as an example, I'm going to grab their head again, slip this hand under their armpit, through their arm here, boom, and throw them on the floor. And that can be an application. Straight line. Sometimes called Chokusen. Chokusen is a straight line. Chokusen kata or Chokusen Gekisai or whatever.
You said there's two ways of calling it. So Renzoku and Chokusen. What's the difference between the two?
Just take a step back. Whenever you explain anything in Japanese, you could have the same problem trying to explain in English. So if in English, I could say, yeah, we're going to do a straight line kata, or we're going to do a continuous kata. Now, some people might think the continuous kata is just doing that by yourself, but I always think about Renzoku as doing with a partner. So it's a continuous, because usually it's Gekisai, then Renzoku, bunkai. It's a continuous analysis of the kata with a partner, I suppose. And then the Chokusen would probably just be, I would think more about just doing it by yourself without a partner. But obviously you can see they can be completely interchangeable. So it's really what I think each dojo practitioner teacher adopts, really. For our point of view, I'm going to call Chokusen the solo kata and Renzoku a partner. We're going to take only the opening section, which is I'm about to get hit, so I'm like, boom, I protect. I'm going to slam this hand down. It's a second punch. I'm going to slam this hand down, breaking a guard or hitting them. And then I'm going to come in, and then I'm going to hit them again. And then I'm going to hit low. So it goes jaw down, jaw down, jaw down, and onto this position. So what we're going to do is get that so we can do it really fast. So first, ready? So each one, slam down two. As if you're punching again, boom, then come in low. Again, ready? 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. So when we practice our kata that way in a solo format, it can give us a different perspective and a different goal to aim for when we start doing our partner work, rather than always doing very static movements. Or even worse, always waiting for the opponent to do the next thing before you do your thing. Once you start, you never wait. You waited, if they initiated that, you waited long enough. After that, you don't wait anymore.